silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting. This is a guitar lesson for Zombie by the Cranberries. How's everyone doing? My name's Dave Donoghue, the guitar coach. I put up new lessons each week on YouTube. So if you want to keep up to date, just hit the button below and I'm going to get into the lesson. Okay, so for a 90s song, this has 4 chords going the whole way through, which is good thing. If you're into 90s songs and you're into 4 chords, this is the perfect marriage of both. So here we go. E minor, C, G, and D. Now for all you zombie purists out there, this is the actual chord. It's D with an F sharp bass, also known as just D, with your thumb brought up over the edge. Excuse me. Your thumb is brought up to the 2nd fret of the thick E string. Keep in mind that your thumb doesn't have to hover all the way over, just enough of the tip of it to catch it. Okay, so this is what we get. We get E minor, C, G, and D with an F sharp bass. The rhythm will be going down, 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 up, which you'll do twice on each chord. So it goes down, 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 up, down, 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 change, down. That's the whole song. I'm not joking. So, class tune for 4 chords, of course. Now, the thing about this is I tend to emphasize the heavier strings on Zombie by the Cranberries when I play it. So if I go like this, on the chorus, it's fairly chilled out. And if you want to check, I have an Ultimate Guitar song sheet linked below in the description as well. So, and it's fully accurate, I've checked, as are all the ones I've linked in videos. So, we get this. Verse. You can see I'm really emphasizing the lighter strings. And how I'm doing that is, I'm holding the pick really light, and I'm emphasizing these. Now watch what happens for the chorus. I'm going to emphasize the heavier ones. 3, 4. The other one, you can hear the difference between both. Now at the real end of the song, it just varies between E minor and C. So it goes E minor, C, E minor again, and C, then just one E minor. And that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Post a comment below. I'll be happy to answer. Catch you soon.